5 Google Sheets tips to simplify your data management. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 super useful Google Sheets tips that'll make managing your data way easier and faster. Stick with me till the end so you don't miss any of these time-saving tricks. Let's get started. Tip number 1, use data validation to create drop-downs. This is perfect for keeping your data clean and consistent. Select a cell or range, go to Data, Data Validation, and choose Drop-Down. You can enter options like Pending, Complete in Progress. Whatever fits your workflow, it saves time and reduces errors. Tip number 2, freeze headers for easier. If you've got a big spreadsheet, freezing the top rule helps you remember what each column means. Just click View in the top menu line. Select Freeze one row. Now when you scroll, your headers stay visible. Tip number 3, use conditional formatting to highlight data. Want to automatically color-code your cells? Go to Format, Conditional Formatting, and Set Rules. For example, you can highlight cells that are over budget or below a certain number. It's super handy for tracking things visually. Tip number 4, split text into columns. If you have full names or emails all in one column and want to split them, just select the column, then click Data. Scroll through the drop-down and select Split Text to Columns. Choose your separator like space or comma, and boom. Your data is organized in seconds. Tip number 5, use keyboard shortcuts to save time. If you're working in Google Sheets regularly, shortcuts can massively boost your speed. For example, press Ctrl+Shift+V to paste values only or Ctrl+/. CMD+ on Mac to see a full list of shortcuts. Learning just a few can make a big difference in how fast you navigate and edit your spreadsheets. That's it. 5 quick Google Sheets tips to simplify your data management. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.